Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Carly here. I am drinking a Smirnoff Ice.
I am Alex. I have wine and I'm finishing my canned margarita.
I'm Kelsey. I'm drinking a different $5 wine.
And we have a very special guest star with us tonight. He will also be presenting. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Steven C, and I am drinking this vodka right here. I'm gonna take a shot of it right in front of y'all.
Nice. Hit it.
Does he have a tattoo of Florida on his head?
He does actually.
Steve, are these real people like that you've worked with?
No.
Okay, just like
if I disclose that, that'd be a HIPAA violation.
that's what I was wondering.
Yeah, I'm not disclosing people I work with.
Are we specifically talking about Florida men in this one?
One of them is a Florida man. This guy right here is an honorable mention. This guy called the cops twice because he wanted a ride home, and he just happened to live in Florida. But like, I don't think his story was interesting enough to put it in the thing, so he's an honorable mention, and I just put him in the slideshow right here.
Okay.
All right, so this guy's a Florida tattoo on his face, and he was like, he called 911 twice because he wanted a ride home.
They should have gave it to him.
Uber,
I mean, you know what they say, Florida is the biggest exporter of nuts in the U.S., if you know what I mean. All right.
For Uber, or could he have literally just downloaded Uber?
Just shattered my entire wine glass.
Oh.
With wine in it, trying to get my fucking rat. Come on.
Yeah, we might have to wait a minute.
Yeah. I hope I didn't accidentally do that by making that joke, but
No, she was trying to get a rat.
yeah. Well, let's see if there's anything left in the shot.
I mean, you're not the first to break a wine glass on the call.
What flavor is that wine? I mean, that shot.
It's Vodka Blue Raspberry, the most popular with 17-year-olds.
Nice.
Whenever she's ready.
Now I gotta wait for Alex.
Where is she?
She went to the bathroom or something again. I don't know.
I lost an entire glass of wine.
I'm sorry.
Woody's saying hi.
Hi, Woody. Charlie saying hello.
Come on. Now he's running away.
Where'd Carly go?
When I went out to like grab another drink, my mom was like, "What did they say about the picture?" And I was like, "Well, we were saying it looked like
I had to get my cat in, and then my mom thought she had a fever, so I had to feel her head, but she doesn't feel fine at all.
But
Is
no,
everyone good then?
Yeah,
I think we're good. Sorry about that, Steve.
No problem. All right. So, full disclosure, no one mentally ill. Don't want to make fun of the mentally ill here. I got a bunch of mentally ill people I work with, and I don't get why they are, but like, I understand why they are the way they are. So, first of all, this is from our local city, New Jersey. This is not someone I work with.
I heard about this.
You've heard about it? Yeah.
Ah, yes, I've heard of. This is right near us.
Yeah.
Superintendent Thomas from something was placed on leave after he was arrested for allegedly defecating at a Homefield High School. Homedale. According to police, the school resource officer and staffers at Homedale High School began surveilling the track after learning that someone was leaving feces on.
Was he literally pulling down his pants and going? This is what I've always wondered. Was he pulling down his pants and just going to the bathroom, or was he like bagging it up and throwing it on the field?
So it's not really clear because like he stated from where I read from the article is that he had like an issue with his like bowel, and for some reason he felt the track was the perfect place to let that go. And like I get that you have like a bowel issue, like a medical issue, but like why are you jogging every morning and shitting on the bowel, or shitting on the track,
Yeah, like go inside. You're also the superintendent. You probably have keys or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, like
during a stakeout, he was caught.
Yeah,
like imagine like being like on that stakeout and just watching like this dude just shit on the field.
If you knew that everybody was looking for who was shitting in the field, why would you keep doing it?
Also, just like I understand if you have a medical issue and you have like accidents and stuff, but I feel like a decent amount of that, like there's ways to prevent it. Like go before doctor. Don't just.
There's like a million places you can shit that's not on the track.
Go in the woods.
Move slightly off the track to a bush.
Yeah, or like hell, you live like you probably don't live at the school, so like just like I don't know, shit in your neighbor's yard or something. Just not on like a place where children go.
Or maybe find somewhere else to run.
Yeah, exactly.
That's concept.
Running
The
your
guy doesn't-
backyard, shit in your own backyard.
Like this guy doesn't seem like he had too much malicious intent behind him. He just seems like a weirdo that just wanted to shit on the track. But like he
I
lost
guess
his job and
That would be
he
funny, like once, but like after a while, that's wow.
That's what I
yeah.
mean. That's the other thing. Like, I could understand if you have a medical issue and it happens once, but also if it's on a daily basis, you didn't figure out any other solution besides I'm just gonna keep shitting on the track.
Maybe this guy had maybe this guy had like a power trip or something, because that's a common thing with criminals. They have they're like, I'm like, I have such authority, I can shit wherever I want. I'm gonna shit on this track where I work at. I don't think he had too much malicious intent behind it, but I definitely wasn't right either, because
Is he the only shitter on this list?
yes, he's definitely the only shitter on this list. I'm not putting anyone too serious, because that's not at that point it wouldn't be a joking matter, but 100% of all space crime is lesbian scrape crime.
Excuse me, what?
Sorry,
I
Carly.
feel attacked.
In 2019, it was.
What did she do?
This is a long story. In
Was she
2019, it was
pretty?
reported that by several media sources that the first space crime was reportedly committed by a lesbian spacewoman named Anne McLean.
What did she commit? Adultery?
What do you guys think? What do you
I
guys
think adultery. But that's
you
like
guys
not
ever
even
heard-
really a crime anymore, That's like between like two spouses. Did
What do
she
y'all-
say?
Like,
Straight up killed a guy in space. I hope that's.
No, I feel like we would have heard about that. That would have been like national news. I feel like she probably stole something.
It's pretty much a joke.
something stupid like she had sex with a woman and homosexuality is illegal in space.
Yeah, it has to be something stupid like that, right?
I apologize for slandering you, Carly.
And also, it's like lesbian space crime, so it is probably like she slept with someone and it was illegal to like
Yeah,
sleep with
or,
on
like,
Facebook.
All right,
Like
Arlie.
space
All right,
sodomy
Arlie.
or-
I will admit to you, with lesbian space crime, it's definitely petty, as you expect.
Damn it.
She's alleged to have access to her ex-wife's bank account without her permission on a NASA computer while on ISS in 2019.
Oh shit. How is that a lesbian space crime? It
can't
has
make
nothing to do.
in space.
Yeah, do we call the track field shitter a straight guy crime?
Maybe.
As a what like a straight track crime.
Oh my fucking god! Get back!
You're a fucking rat.
Come on.
Guys, I have a hat.
How's she doing it?
besides Ronald Reagan, 100% of space crimes are committed by lesbians.
Oh my god, Ronald Reagan. Are we gonna bring up this topic again?
Not Ronald Reagan
This-
again.
Bringing up Ronald Reagan, that's for a different podcast.
Who's more
but-
controversial, Ronald Reagan or space lesbians?
No, who's more controversial, space lesbian or Chester the Cheeto? Oh, wait, no, it's not Chester.
Chester Cheeto.
Who is it?
Tony the
Who is
Tiger.
it? Tony the Tiger.
You
I
forgot.
saw that post you did, yeah.
Well, no, because I was editing a video and then we said Chester the Cheeto or Tony the Tiger, the ultimate, like, who would win in a fight. But honestly,
was-
who would win in a fight? Lesbian who commits space crimes or, or Tony the Tiger?
But
You gotta
yeah,
make
she's
up
alleged,
Instagram
she's
poll.
alleged to have access to her ex-wife's bank account.
Alleged. It's still on there. So who's more
Yeah.
deadly?
You got pooping in a track field, you got hacking someone's bank account. All right, next slide or next thing. In a turn
Honestly,
of
good
events,
for her though. She was probably
Yeah.
just trying to get that sweet life insurance money, especially if she didn't know she was gonna make it or not.
in turn of events, McLean's ex-wife was charged with lying about the
Ooh.
bank. So far, there were 0 crimes in space.
But you
None by-
just wait, hold on. But you just said 100% of crime is
I
lesbian
said, or is
space.
it? Or is?
I don't approve.
What do you mean you don't approve?
It's alleged. It's not confirmed. You got to go to a court and hear all that shit out. Even
Well,
though
it
Track has been put in jail.
Well, it was heard out, and it was confirmed untrue. So 0% of all. Yeah.
God, I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
so
McLean.
There's no lesbian space crime yet.
And
But Carly, I trust that you'll be the first.
why me? Honestly,
Is space crime.
I'm not surprised. I would definitely probably do something. It's like as soon as I
100%
get up
space crime
there,
is space crime.
murder
Sure.
isn't murder
Right.
if they can't find the body.
It's true. If it's like out in space, who's gonna find it? Like, where are they gonna send like a space cop to like investigate it?
Exactly. Like, how are they gonna find that out? How are they gonna retrieve the body?
Watch the body comes down like a meteor or something, like it gets pulled and
Alex, we don't need your actual scientific evidence for this.
Wouldn't it get burned up coming down?
no, it probably
Yeah, and then all the evidence will be destroyed.
but like if there's anything left over, you might be able to determine there's some kind of like biological thing or like DNA in it or something.
Destroy all the DNA.
Yeah, it probably would. Well, maybe. Well, unless it's like in a box or something.
So put it in a coffin after you kill the person.
Like, what if you just like threw like a small shuttle?
Hold on, let me just go cut down a fern and just make my own box.
No, I mean, you know how spaceships like can like break into pieces sometimes. Like, what if you cut, like a piece off with the dead body, and then it came down in that piece?
Are we thinking are we actually gonna commit a crime, guys? We're gonna go to space, on the Tesla mobile and commit.
That would be the stupid way of doing it. Putting it in the like little shuttle thing. You would shoot.
I mean, you could put it on the trunk.
So it will just destroy itself.
We should have like a weird murder episode.
Can you murder me, like, unironically?
Steve, nobody wants to murder you. You're an amazing human being.
Oh, I mean, like, that's happy and sad because, like, I hate my job, but also, like, you could also murder me and no more job,
Become a lesbian and commit a crime in space. Yeah, so you're halfway there. Just go to space and commit a crime.
All right, I'll make sure 100% of all crime is space crime.
Alex, you see, he even cited his sources.
Yeah, I cited my sources.
Alex,
I just didn't. I have them.
Who put Margaret, your mom in your wine? All right, I think it's time for the next weird crime, which is the last one because I was lazy this week and I was like training. Oh, why is
the last crime ever?
She's talking to me. Florida man driving Cadillac on. This is a low hanging fruit. I know. Florida man driving Cadillac on something to you'd rather be in jail than with his wife. And I got a video first with you because Alexa just started playing music. Alexa, stop. Okay.
Me at
I
the
don't want
rest.
to start talking. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool.
How the fuck is he driving?
Yeah, who's touching the steering wheel?
I guess his feet.
What? Wait,
Is
so
this
there's
one
no
of the
one
danger-
else? There's no one else in the car?
Nope. He hates his wife, so definitely not. Like
I get the mood, but also you could kill someone else on the road.
Like,
It's
I'm
nothing
impressed
wrong.
if that wasn't like insanely dangerous. A Florida man has been arrested for reckless driving for sitting on his sunroof, speeding with his car, and driving with his feet on a highway. I don't know how he did that. That's like a anomaly. How the fuck did he drive with his feet?
I mean, I've stuck my head out of a sunroof, but like as a child, while someone else was holding me and driving.
Is that like the most dangerous thing you've ever done, Alex?
That's the most dangerous thing Alex has ever done in her entire life.
Probably not.
Ever will.
Except for like lying down with her phone. The most dangerous.
All right, some quotes from him. When asked why, the reports or claims that Olson stated, "My wife treats me like a servant, and she's the mistress, and I'm tired of this shit."
I bet you anything that she just like asked him to clean his dishes or something.
Can you like clean up your room? God damn, I'm gonna fucking drive my car with my feet.
That's my new threat.
He obviously just wanted to do it and then just blamed it on his wife.
Florida men are something different. Like, I didn't want to put too many of them in here because I only put one. But like, there's such low hanging fruit. Fun fact: if you Google your name and put Florida man, you'll find something insane. Like, sorry, not your name. If you Google your birth, no. If you Google your birthday and put Florida man, you'll find something insane. I'll do it right here. Can you see this on screen? Like I'm Googling stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've done it for mine. I can't remember what it is.
June 19th, Florida man. Oh yeah, I remember this one. I showed my Florida man tries to mow down neighbor with tractor during dispute.
Mine was Florida man arrested for beating and throwing a chair at a child in a donut dispute.
What is the Florida man birthday challenge? Oh, there's a website for it now.
Oh, there wasn't one from a couple. That was the 2021. The 2018 one is Florida man arrested for DUI while lemur and wallaby escaped from truck during traffic stop.
This one's pretty good. Florida man arrested after hitting girlfriend in face with burrito.
No, mine's better because mine is literally a Drake and Josh episode. Florida man known as the Monkey Whisperer accused of illegally selling primates.
So I actually know why this is a thing. Like why Florida man is a thing. So it's not really. Well, it's probably partially because people in Florida are fucking the biggest exporter of nuts in the country. Wait, did my screen disappear?
They really get another breed down there in Florida.
People in Florida are all insane. It's mainly because there's a law in Florida that allows like any journalist to be able to access arrest records, whether they were convicted or not. In reality, if you get like arrested but not even charged with a crime in Florida, you can get on the news. And here's another quote from him: "The car drives itself and has a gigantic computer in it. I thought it would be a nice way to praise God for a minute. I thought it would be a nice at the time, and that's what I did."
What does he mean by praise God?
I mean, look at him. He's kind of just he's going to the heavens.
He's literally letting Jesus take the wheel.
Yeah, he let Jesus take the wheel with his feet.
I found another one for my birthday about a man who hid underwater and was arrested when he came up for air. Just felt like a good one for me.
Just hid underwater, got arrested. Free my man. He didn't do nothing.
Wine and margarita taste weird.
Why would you put it together?
Alex, what did you? I feel like a white wine would have gone better with that than a red wine, Alex.
I mean, it's not that weird.
All right, guys, this has been Drunk College. Thanks so much for joining in. Does anyone have anything they would like to say? Steve, you want to start off?
Crime is bad unless you make it funny.
Don't go to Florida.
Basically, if you're any one of my clients, don't commit crime because like almost none of them are funny. But like if you're in Florida, maybe commit some crime as a treat. And I can post an article about it and put it on this podcast.
Please submit your crimes to us.
Yeah.
A podcast episode about.
Thanks, guys, so much for tuning in. Bye.
Bye.
Hawaii.